Hotel Haya, and this is in Ybor City in Tampa, Florida, which is where Crystal lives.
Yep.
But I'm visiting from California, so this is an awesome vacation for me.
And this is an awesome staycation for me. I've always heard about this hotel. It's fairly new in the Tampa area. But it's super gorgeous.
This isn't actually my first time in Ybor City. The first time Crystal kind of showed me around, I want to say, what was it, like a few years ago? Maybe more than a few years ago now.
Probably.
Maybe almost 5 years ago. And the one thing that really surprised me about Ybor City was I did not realize its rich Cuban culture, and that's what Crystal pointed out to me.
Yeah, it's actually called Cigar City too, because it used to be a huge cigar company, or factories I should say. There were cigar factories all over the place. And it was a really bustling city for that. So a lot of the Cubans, Spanish, and Italians migrated here and built kind of a cigar empire at Ybor City. And this was in the late 1800s when they did this. So they have some rich history here regarding that. And that's why a lot of Hotel Hayas...
they incorporated a lot of that into their aesthetics and the culture, the food. A lot of that is here at the hotel. So I thought that was kind of cool how they did that.
Hotel Haya is located on 7th Avenue, which is the famous street of Ybor. That's where all the shops and clubs and restaurants are located. Yeah, so we're staying here for a couple nights. And of course, Miss Kuma got to come with me too, because this is a dog-friendly hotel. She's actually taking her daytime nap right now. This is her. Yeah. They actually have a really nice dog bed and huge dog bowls. And I feel like not a lot of hotels do that, even though they say that they're dog friendly or pet friendly. Not a lot of them provide things like dog beds or bowls. So this place went above and beyond and got this stylish dog bed for the dogs.
I wish we would have known, because we actually brought Kuma's dog bed.
Yeah.
And we didn't actually need to bring it.
I know. I totally would have just left that at home, because that bed is so much better.
Yeah, we're gonna make her use the nice posh bed.
So right now we're gonna give you a tour of the room that we're in, and over the next couple of days we'll show you more of what this hotel has to offer. So this is our 2-queen bedroom. The beds are very comfy from what we can tell so far. I've actually, I always test it out a little bit, and so far so good. Kuma seems to be really enjoying it. She's been flipping some pillows around and checking out the bed herself. But I do like the simplistic design of everything. It's really thought out. It's simple but really chic, which we both like a lot. I actually like this navy blue color that they use, and then some gold trims and kind of vintage lighting a little bit. And then they also have lots of Cuba material. So this is a really cool book where they go over some Cuban culture, architecture, things like that. And this is the nightstand in between our beds. They've got this alarm clock with 2 USB ports on one side, and on the other side is another charging station with 2 USB ports. Down below they have more books on Tampa, cigars, and Havana, Cuba, which Candy and I went to Havana a few years ago, and we really loved the culture there, and the people. The people were very, very nice. So staying at Hotel Haya again is kind of reminding us of our good times in Havana, and we just loved it so much. So we're really excited to stay here and just kind of reminisce over it. And then here was our surprise with the nice dog bed and dog bowls that were provided by the hotel. The toy is mine, or Kuma's, that I brought with her. But the bed is just so nice. It's very stylish. Okay, so the rest of the room, there's a nice big TV. They kind of angled it so that both of us on the beds can watch it pretty easily. I'm not sure if this actually moves too, so if one person wants to watch TV over the other, you can move it like this. Here is a long working desk area, and they provide some information on the hotel, the amenities, all that good stuff. And then down below here is the fridge. It's a clear fridge here where you can open, nice and cool. And then next to that is a large luggage rack, which Candy was able to open up her medium away suitcase, so it's pretty large. And then down below are a couple more drawers where you can store your stuff.
I'm doing the rest of the room, which is pretty much what's left over is the closet and the bathroom. Nice big closet. We've already put some stuff in here. Let's see. We've got our jackets, an ironing board. There's Kuma stuff, and there's a safe there. We usually don't use safes, but it's nice to have if we need it. And on the other side is just more storage space. There's the iron. There's a tray here and a drawer. And also what's great about this closet is it lights up when you open it. So it's not super dark in here when you're trying to find things. And the entrance area is pretty wide. I like that. I hate it when you walk into a hotel room and you're like trying to squeeze in with your suitcase. This is pretty spacious here. A nice big mirror. Love it when hotels have nice long mirrors so you can check out your full outfit, not just your face. And I've never been to a hotel where the bathroom doors actually both open. So I was a little bit surprised when this door actually opened up. And it opens up all the way. Crystal and I don't know since when, but we've become fans of black accents in bathrooms. And so when we saw all the black accents in here, we immediately were like, oh my gosh, this bathroom is so nice. So the shower has, all the black accents, and I love the simplicity of it, but I also like how the tile artwork is it's mesmerizing to me. I love how they did the shower, the tiling. Very simple. They have, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Looks like it is from Grown Alchemist. The sink is nice and big. I'm pretty sure Crystal and I will have enough space to put our stuff. Like I'll use this side and she'll use this side. Very standard products, I guess they give you. They give you body lotion. I already used it. It smells really good. And it's very nice. It's like nice and thick. It's not like that cheap lotion. And then in here they have Q-tips and cotton swabs. So there's some towels down here. And then the blow dryer. I'm kind of curious what kind of blow dryer it is. Oh, it's a nice blow dryer. It actually comes with an attachment too. And the lighting is really nice in here too. I like how they have like two huge lights coming this way. You know what the worst is when the light is coming straight down and you look like a ghost when you're doing your makeup. So yeah, I do like the lighting in here. Nice big mirror. And even if I didn't want to use this mirror, there's plenty of light in the hallway to use the other mirror. So me and Crystal can both get ready at the same time. All right, I also want to show you this awesome view that we got. You ready? Ta-da! And yes, we will be going to the pool. All right, so we close these, and for a good night's rest, there's also these blackout curtains. That's the room tour. We're excited to stay here and check out all the restaurants, which we're gonna go do right now because we're super hungry. We're at Cafe Quiquiriqui. It's so cute in here. I love all the plants, and they had so many selections of empanadas that I couldn't really decide on one.
I know. We got each one of them. Like seriously, literally got every single one of their empanadas. And then we got a couple desserts. We got a chocolate cheesecake and an espresso cookie, which they said is really popular here. So super excited to try that one out. We just got back from taking Kuma out for a little walk, and when we got back to the room, I noticed these cute little doggy biscuits for her. How incredibly sweet. Look, it looks like homemade.
It does look homemade.
Breakfast time. Got some omelet. We both got the veggie omelet. But Candy had the tomato with hers, which comes with it, and I got no tomatoes on mine.
had such a great time staying here. I can't believe it's already been 2 days.
I know. It did actually feel like a long time, but in another sense, it felt way too short because we really enjoyed our stay here.
Yeah, everything's been like, oh, that's really nice, or this tastes really good, or the service was excellent. So yeah.
I mean, highlights of the room itself, we really had a good night's rest, both nights.
Both nights.
The bed is super comfortable, and then on top of that, I think the blackout curtains really help out because there's really no light seeping through those curtains.
Yeah, and usually Crystal and I wake up pretty early, but we both slept in both days.
That was really nice to be able to relax, and I believe like these rooms are pretty soundproof.
Yeah, I haven't heard anyone actually walking,
not even
walking down the hallway.
No.
Yeah.
And our room, overlooks the pool. Don't hear anything outside either. Oh, and Kuma, of course, enjoyed it. Not only the view, but she used the dog bed that the hotel provided and the dog bowls, of course. She also loved getting attention from the hotel staff and the guests every time we walked by to go to the elevator or get some of the coffee downstairs.
Oh, and she really liked the fresh dog cookies that they brought in.
Yeah, that was really nice, so thank you. The hotel also has several events that they do at night, and since we were here Wednesday and Thursday, we went to both of them. Wednesday nights they have Noche del Habano, which is Havana nights, and they have, they feature whiskey, cigars, and tapas.
Yeah, it was kind of funny because when we first went, we totally forgot about them featuring whiskey, so we both got margaritas. Yeah. And then later on, Crystal noticed like these boxes going to tables, and we were like, ooh, what is that? And it was whiskey in there. So we decided to finally order whiskey.
Yeah, it was actually old-fashioned.
It was an old-fashioned. Yeah. And all this like smoke comes out.
Yeah. It was really cool. And then the other night, so Thursday night was
Haya night.
And it's another kind of like, Cuban themed night.
And they have live music that night. We had dinner at Morfina.
I really like their chicken. Actually, we all ordered the chicken.
Yeah.
The chicken is very moist, and they have like this mushroom demi-glace sauce that goes along with it. It's really excellent. The chef here is like superb because everything that we ate here at Florfina and their cafe,
Quiquiriqui.
They're both really good. And I think one of the things that we enjoyed most out of all the amenities here was the pool.
Yeah, because we haven't been to the pool in a long time.
Yeah, we never like really enjoy our time and relax at a pool, at the hotel's pool. And this hotel pool is really nice, so we made it a point to make some time for it, and I'm so glad we did. So as we mentioned before, this hotel is located in pretty much central Ybor. So they're on 7th Avenue, and they're by many restaurants and cafes, stores, actually clubs too, bars. And if you want to go a little bit further, or if you don't feel like walking, you can take the free streetcar, which we did this morning, and checked out the Ybor Museum, which is really cool. I think it's nice to learn the history of this place because it goes back to like the late 1800s and how they started
why it's called Cigar City.
Yeah, why it's called Cigar City, and how like the Cubans, the Spanish and Italians all migrated here and started this Cuban cigar city. So yeah, all that is really fantastic to learn, so I highly suggest that.
Yeah, and the streetcar, it runs every 15 minutes, so like it's like constantly running. So yeah, definitely if you got the time, like just hop on and just check out that museum. It's a cute little museum. It's only like $4.
So overall, like we had an awesome time here. Like, highly recommend staying at Hotel Haya.
Staff is amazing.
All right, well, hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.